It's December 1st. Slaymas is all about serving creative, versatile wig hairstyles. Anyone can throw on a wig and wear it straight down, but that gets old fast, right? You invested in versatility, so this series is here to help you use it. All month long, I will be serving tea. Slaymas is all about elevating your wig game, unlocking styles you didn't even know your wig could do. Let's get into today's video. And let's get into today's style because I need to show you how to get this beautiful style and where it comes from. Okay, let's get into
Today's wig comes from Nadula Hair. It will be linked below in the description box. This is their 7x5 no slip wig 2.0 in a chestnut brown yaki texture in 24 inches. It will be linked below.
And adjust it to where I want it to be. Slide this one. We talked about this strap last month. This strap is one of my favorite for a glueless wig. Secure, comfortable hold, unlike the adjustable straps that's thicker. You also get the drawstring. So if you want a little bit more hold, all you have to do is take this drawstring and pull it tight. This install is completely glueless. As you can see, the hairline is down. It's flat. I am going to cover the knots a little bit at the front. Everything will be linked in the description box, including this wig. I probably will switch to parting as we start the style, but for now I just want to show you guys what it's like out the box. So I always take it straight down the hair like this. Is there a specific brand? Yes, I will put it in the description box because not all hot combs are made equally. Trust me, I done went through a lot of them. But this one, and it's another brand that I like if you are looking for an oven-based one. Just makes this look like it's growing from my scalp, which is what we want. We're going to spray some heat protectant through the hair. Make sure you get those ends. The unbrush we're going to use to brush the hair through, get that product going through the hair. It's beautiful. Look at that. As we know, you can wear it straight like this. But the fun starts when you start styling. Trust me, it's real personalized and creative, and you start to find like your style. Now, if you guys have any hairstyles you want me to try out, make sure to drop me a comment below. All right, so this is what it looks like straightened out. Okay, this is very beautiful, very soft and silky. I definitely love the way it feels. Oh man, this is so pretty. You cannot tell me that that isn't gorgeous. This is completely gorgeous. Look at them highlights. First style I'm going to do is just something very simple. Again, we're using a method with the wax stick and the hot combs to flatten everything. Do the same step on the other side. Separate just a little bit of hair. I'm going to part away a section, but I'm going to make sure to leave a little bit of hair so it can cover the wefts that may be visible right here. This extra hold, this is the Chestnut hairspray. I use this for styling. Because the hair is a yaki texture, it still can be a little bit silky. So you want to give it a little bit of texture here, braiding overhanded. I'm going to spray it as I go. That will lock in the braid. Braid it all the way down. That spray, it smells so good. All the products I use smell really, really good. And I'm gonna do the same thing for this side. Take these two pieces that I pulled, cut them shorter, flat iron, and kind of bend it under to give it a more natural look. All right, so this is style number one. So as you can see, you can get a little bit of versatility. I like this style. It just flows really well with the color of the wig. It was an effortless style. Nothing too dramatic, nothing too over the top. I didn't take style. If you prefer to still wear your hair down and not pull it up, it gives a little bit of something there. If you feel like you want something a little bit more elegant for the holidays, let's get you some hairpins. And we're going to leave this area right here because that's where the lace stops. You want to leave a little bit of hair there. Pull these braids back, leave that down there. And I have a piece right there. I just need a pin. I'm going to secure that down. I'm going to take these two pieces in the back. I'm going to tie them, just tie them like this. So you want to make sure the center of your hair is laying flat. And then I'm going to take some hairpins and pin this into the wefts. Now you can get fancy and use a really pretty hair accessory. Make sure there's no strands sticking out. If there is, just pin it. And if it's sticking out, you want to pin that to lay super flat in the back. Okay. So it should look just like this once you have it pinned. And I think I actually may like this. I think with this outfit, it pairs really well. The last thing you can do is put it up into a low ponytail. Just pull everything back. Make sure your string is tucked. Make sure the comb in the back is also underneath your wig cap. I'm going to leave down just a few pieces right here at the sides. The cap fits really good around the ear, so I don't have to worry about it sitting on my ear. I'm going to pull the hair into a ponytail. Go like this to smooth everything. Pull this tight. I'm just going to trim it down some so it'll be a little short, like sideburns. You can curl them if you want, so they can have a little bit of something going on there, right? You can curl these pieces too if you want. Here you have another style. And again, spray the top part. You can also add a little bit of shine spray if you want to. Garnier shine spray. And here you have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's Slay Miss. This is episode 1. Again, this wig is from Nadula Hair. I will be sure to link it below in the description box. Be sure to check down there for all the details, all the information concerning this wig. I will see you all back in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.